A caterpillar is a young butterfly or moth just hatched out of its egg. A caterpillar is a kind of larva. When it is older, the caterpillar will turn into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis, and later the pupa will turn into a butterfly. Caterpillars usually have 3 pairs of small but noticeable, actual legs at the front and up to 5 pairs of fleshy false legs at the back. Caterpillars are commonly found feeding on leaves but are also found inside living stems and branches or on the roots of plants and dead wood. Most caterpillars are shades of green or brown and are relatively hairless, although, in many families, caterpillars are very hairy and often brightly colored. Some species are pests of growing plants, carpets, woolens, organic fabrics, and stored food products. Caterpillars are an essential food source for birds and other invertebrates. Many species help dead animals and plants decompose.